Hi, it's Doug. This building was a very special place to me when I was a kid. It's the Field Museum in Chicago, Illinois. It was special to me because of what was inside. This is where I got to see my first dinosaur. It was one of the most famous dinosaur fossils ever. It's a Tyrannosaurus rex that goes by the name of Sue. Now, Sue may have a cute nickname, but Sue was a massive creature with powerful jaws and razor sharp teeth. And she wasn't the only interesting dinosaur at the Field Museum. There were all kinds of amazing dinosaurs there. Things like Triceratops, with 3 horns on its skull, and Stegosaurus, with bony plates down its back and spines on its tail. Dinosaurs are so different from any living things today that it's amazing to think about them being really alive, roaming the earth before human beings ever lived. The last dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. No one has ever seen a living dinosaur. All we have are their fossils, which are like puzzle pieces that scientists can put together to try to create a picture of what dinosaurs looked like. From all the different kinds of fossils that scientists have found, we've learned that there were many different kinds of dinosaurs. Now, most of the time, we think of the really big dinosaurs, like Tyrannosaurus rex, or Triceratops, which was a type of dinosaur called a ceratopsian. The largest dinosaurs were like Titanosaur or Brontosaurus, with long necks and long tails. Those are types of sauropods. But not all dinosaurs were big. There were small dinosaurs too, like Velociraptor, which were only about half as tall as an adult human. Scientists try to figure out how each kind of dinosaur would have survived. They ask questions like, what did it eat? How did it get its energy? Unlike animals living today, scientists can't just watch dinosaurs in the wild to see how they get their food. Instead, they have to study fossils to get clues. How do you think scientists could figure out what dinosaurs ate just by looking at their fossils? Scientists have studied dinosaur fossils, especially fossils of dinosaur teeth and jaws, and they compared them to animals living today in order to figure out what they might have eaten. For dinosaurs with sharp teeth, it's safe to assume that they must have been carnivores that ate meat. By comparison, dinosaurs with broad, flat teeth would have been able to grind up plants. They were probably herbivores. There were also dinosaurs that ate both plants and animals. For example, dinosaurs that had beaks, like this one. These were the omnivores that ate both plants and meat. To figure out what dinosaurs ate, scientists have also studied coprolites, fossilized poop. By looking at coprolites, scientists can find evidence of what kind of food dinosaurs were digesting. Using all of this evidence, we can get a pretty good idea of what different dinosaurs ate. We can even start to piece together food chains for dinosaurs. For example, Tyrannosaurus rex was a carnivore with sharp teeth for eating other dinosaurs like Triceratops. Triceratops was an herbivore with broad, flat teeth for grinding up plants. So we can make a food chain connecting T-Rex to Triceratops to plants. And just like food chains of animals living today, notice that dinosaur food chains always come back to plants. Plants are the producers in the food chain. Plants make their own food from carbon dioxide and water, and get their energy from sunlight, instead of getting food and energy by eating other living things. During what was kind of like the golden age of the dinosaurs, a period of time called the Cretaceous, there were plants like palm trees, pine trees, magnolia trees, and ferns. And lots of animals were eating those plants, not just dinosaurs. Dinosaurs weren't the only animals alive at that time. There were lots of other kinds of reptiles, like prehistoric crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. There were also lots of insects, like dragonflies, beetles, crickets, and more. There were even mammals like these living with the dinosaurs. All of these animals were interacting together, and it wasn't as simple as a food chain. You've made food chains before, but now you're ready for something more challenging. Now you're going to connect many food chains together to build a food web. Find a partner to work with. If you're working alone, that's okay too. When you're done with this step, click the arrow on the right. Get your supplies. You'll get more later.